Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. St. John's, Antigua, Barbuda. Ladies and gentlemen, a Jamaican wife is accused of burning her mate with goat soup has been issued bail, ladies and gentlemen. Greetings, greetings, and salutations to all nation. Ladies and gentlemen, you know I'm Rastafari Soldier of People's TV, and if this is your first time tuning in, I'm asking you, hit that red subscribe
Hey,
button.
man, how you guys doing out there? We having a good time, man. We're right in Fort Lauderdale Beach.
Me telling you, say them Jamaicans here bad. Man, woman, and child. You are gonna tea. Here you have a wifey from Jamaica, St. John's, Antigua and Barbuda. Yes, the 29-year-old Jamaican woman is accused of burning her husband's mistress with goat soup. Welcome here to Deep Roots TV. I'm Rastafari Soldier. We have heard of Antigua and Barbuda, a beautiful oasis of an island, but they mess up and make some Jamaicans go over there go live. Here you have a young, bright, shining woman married at 29 years old, and it is being said that she has been granted bail with strict conditions on Tuesday. Annalee Jeffrey is her name, who is charged with causing grievous body harm, and her bail has been set at $10,000 with a cash component of $2,000. Allegations are that on June 6th, the complainant, who now resides with the accused husband, was working with the man at a breakfast fete, serving goat soup from a pot on an open fire. Sometimes later, the complainant was grabbed by the hair and pulled back, resulting her falling onto the ground. A pot of hot boiling goat soup also fell off the fire, burning the woman in the process. The report said that the complainant allegedly received first-degree superficial burn to her face and hand. Jeffery also allegedly received burns to her hand during the incident. Now, a report in the Antigua Observer also said on Tuesday, stated that during the bail application, Jeffrey's attorney, Michael Archibald, urged the magistrate to grant her bail as she was living in the country for 7 years and had applied for residency and showed no indication that she would jump bail. Now, during the first court, the Jamaican appearance at the All Saints Magistrate Court on Monday, it was revealed that time in her island has expired. Archibald maintained that the client has strong ties to the country by pointing out that she currently provides care to her two sons and husband's daughter. Now, while the complainant attorney, who was watching the proceedings on her behalf, did not object to the bail granted, he requested that prohibited condition to be added, citing that the client was fearful, meaning that he might tell the judge, say, if you grant the bail to Jeffries, you should set a restraining parameters because my client is afraid. The judge, in granting the bail, ordered Jeffrey should report 3 times per week to the nearest police station and report 1 day per week to the island's immigration authority. The Jamaican should also make no contact with the complainant or witnesses, and she was ordered to stay 50 feet away from the complainant. Under here, what me say, the yard people them bring them nastiness to good island of Antigua and Barbuda. You organ tea. The people them have to keep them eye out. Here you have a young couple, 29-year-old woman. And of course, the man must in the region. And the wifey go fight the matey by dragging her down and making the soup drop on her face. You organ tea. Burn up her hand. You organ tea. And now she get locked down. But not only that. You mean she a commit the crime here and she is illegal in the island because the alleged report is saying that while the complainant attorney was watching the case for the complainant, because of course the complainant probably in the hospital or home nursing her wounds, it is cited that Jeffries has overstayed her passport, meaning that she go to Antigua and breed real quick, because most Jamaicans are runners. Them run away from them country. Them run away from them responsibility. They run away from them duty of being a good citizen. So the attorney should be smarter than that, talking about he have no problem with the alleged criminal getting bail because she is supporting children in the island. Jamaicans no care about picnic. You think a little picnic no have no mother and no father because them go foreign? Them not turn back. Them fling stone behind them. It is unfortunate that the Antiguan woman there in St. John, it's unfortunate she had to feel the wrath of a real Jamaican. You organ tea. Here you have Mrs. Jeffries. I jag down the woman and I burn her up with soap. Leave your comment to the egregious action of another Jamaican in a different island. You can't tell me nothing and we a mash up the world. Big up yourself from you as a good boy or girl. Share the content for me. I'm Rastafari Soldier reporting live in the Deep Road studio telling you that the Jamaican woman them gonna St. John's down in Antigua and Barbuda and gonna fight the mate them. She use hot soup and burn her up. Subscribe, like and share and leave your comment. You hear. More life and more joy and more happiness. You stay blessed. Stay away from them crazy.
Hello, my name is Ashina and welcome to Deep Roots TV.
Pick up Deep Roots TV. Respect, make sure you tune in the year every time.